Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Hope you're all well. Today we're going to take a look at Cyanide's new HeghToQ bird of prey. Now this is a more up-to-date bird of prey, and it's actually as powerful as a sovereign class. I am really impressed with the detailing on this ship, the texturing, the colours, and as you can see, it does look more beefier than a normal bird of prey. I definitely think it has more armour added to it, and yeah, it just looks tougher. And 2 torpedo launchers at the front, which is a little unusual for a Klingon ship, but as an upgrade, certainly, yeah, I think that makes perfect sense. So we're going to test this new bird of prey, and we're going to put it up against a sovereign class. Now this is the version from Star Trek Nemesis. Okay, here we go. Oh crumbs, they're coming in firing. Woohoo! So yeah, I've set the AI to extreme. I'm using the new Quick Battle Plus. And this is going to be a challenge, I think, as the AI is very good at this skill level. Wow, those disruptors are powerful. We do have a cloaking device as well. It's really good to see an upgraded bird of prey. That's definitely something that was missing, I think, from the Star Trek universe. I mean, of course, the Klingons upgraded them compared to the original ones, but what I mean is, visually speaking, this looks very different. Ooh, as well as powerful, gosh. Now, you could argue the Cavort was a newer bird of prey, but that's a completely different class of ship in my eyes. Wow, 6 torpedoes! Oh, it's got 2 torpedo launchers at the front, that's possible. I imagine the Klingons lost a lot of bird of preys during the Dominion War. So it would make sense that they're rebuilding. Okay, it's getting a bit hairy. The warp core is very well protected on the Sovereign. We've lost the torpedo launcher. Oh, we've lost 2 torpedo launchers. Good job we got the disruptors still. I would cloak and everything, but I don't really have much luck with that. So. We've lost the front of our bird of prey. Gosh, it looks like a turkey now, doesn't it? I would turn around and fire those torpedoes, but... Self-destruct sequence? What are you on about? Not again? They're not going to blow up, are they? Seems a bit silly. A bit wasteful. Oh gosh, no. Oh, hang on, what's going on here? They're adrift. They've run out of power, have they? No, they're playing dead. Oh, fire, come on. This is a serious battle to the death, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Come on! Full impulse! Oh! You Stovercore! Okay, here we go. In the Sovereign class, can we do better than the computer did? Wow. 1 torpedo hit. So right away, I think they've got greater speed than us, and most likely maneuverability. Their forward shield is down to 46%. I get the feeling their weapons are a little bit more powerful than ours, actually. Although, I've not hit them with quantums yet. Oh, there we go. Whoa, look at that, they're just hanging right in front of us. Go for the old Klingon ramming technique, I think. Oh gosh! Wow! That is some serious firepower. I didn't realize it was that powerful, gosh. Oh yes. Cloak at your peril. Oh, flippin' heck. Well, this fight definitely escalated quicker this way around, that's for sure. I think they're in trouble. Yep, their impulse engines have been disabled. What a shame. If they hadn't cloaked at that one moment, I think this would have been a very different fight. Their impulse engines are gone. The shields are still absorbing our torpedoes, though. Very impressive. Oh, crumbs! They're fighting back! Gosh, never underestimate a Klingon. I think they're at their most dangerous when they're cornered. A bit like mice. Though, I would never say to a Klingon's face that they were like mice, of course. And if there are any Klingon warriors watching, apologies for my last statement. And there we go. Without a doubt, the HeghToQ wins that battle. If it wasn't for that unfortunate cloaking incident, which I had no part in this time, it definitely would have been victorious. The amount of damage that thing could inflict, even to a Sovereign-class starship, is very impressive. And having to face ships like that, the Odyssey's design makes a lot of sense. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.